8 deadliest animals in Africa. Africa may possess the world's most extensive combination of diversity and density of wild animal populations. Wild populations of large carnivores and herbivores roam freely on predominantly open, non-private plains.
Let's start the countdown. Number 8. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are the second largest land mammals. Rhinos can't see very far or very well. They also have short tempers. This makes them dangerous to humans. Rhinos are known to charge at full force and use their horns to attack. The number of people killed by rhinos is unknown. Number 7. Lion. Lions are responsible for killing around 70 people a year in Africa. The lions that target humans are usually sick, injured, or elderly male lions. Scientists think that these males attack humans because they are an easier meal. Number 6. Cape buffalo. Cape buffalo are magnificent, massive animals. They live in big herds and use their enormous horns and powerful bodies to defend one another. Cape buffalo attack in big herds to defend themselves. Every year, they are to blame for about 200 fatalities. Number 5. Elephant. African elephants are the largest land mammal. When elephants perceive that humans pose a threat, they will strike without hesitation. Males, however, are responsible for the most human deaths. Elephants kill around 500 people each year. Number 4. Hippopotamus. Hippos live in and around the water in Africa. They are fiercely territorial. They will aggressively protect their territory from perceived threats. They have massive jaws with 20-inch tusks that look like huge teeth. Hippos kill around 3,000 humans each year. Number 3. Nile crocodile. Humans and crocodiles share water. When humans wash clothes, fish, or bathe in the water, crocodiles attack most. Nile crocodiles kill at least 3,000 people per year. Number 2. Tsetse fly. The tsetse fly is a bloodsucker. It is responsible for around 10,000 human deaths each year. The tsetse fly carries a parasite that causes sleeping sickness. It carries another similar type of parasite that kills livestock like cattle. If the sleeping sickness isn't treated, it causes death. Number 1. Mosquito. The tiniest and deadliest animal on this countdown is the mosquito. Every year, diseases carried by mosquitoes claim the lives of over 1 million people. Among these illnesses are yellow fever, dengue fever, and malaria. Every day, about 3,000 African children die from malaria alone.
Five deadliest animals in Europe.
It's difficult to definitively rank animals by deadliest in Europe due to varying definitions and the rarity of encounters. However, some of the most dangerous or potentially dangerous animals in Europe, considering their size or potential for conflict. Let's begin. Number 5. Eurasian wolf. They are not primarily aggressive in nature. Wolves can still pose a threat, particularly in areas with larger populations or where humans and wolves encounter each other frequently. Number 4. Brown bear. A large and powerful bear that can be aggressive in certain situations, posing a potential threat to humans, especially in areas with high bear populations. Number 3. Eurasian lynx. A smaller, more agile cat that can still be a dangerous predator, particularly to smaller animals. While they are not likely to attack humans, their bite can be painful. Number 2. Wild boar. These large, aggressive pigs can be dangerous, especially in areas with dense boar populations. They can be quite aggressive and may attack humans if they feel threatened. Number 1. Polar bear. The polar bear is one of the few animals that will kill humans intentionally and without provocation. Although it is usually only hungry bears that will confront humans, any such encounter against the world's largest land carnivore is likely to end one way.
Five dangerous animals in India.
There are more than 1.2 million species in this world, but which animals are known to be most dangerous and lethal on this planet? We have compiled a list of 5 deadliest animals that are native to India. Number 5. Crocodile. Mugger and saltwater crocodiles are very dangerous kinds of crocodiles found in India. The speed and bites of these crocodiles make them fatal to living beings. Number 4. Wolf. Indian wolves have a history of child preying. These wolves are responsible for killing thousands of humans in the past 100 years. Number 3. Leopard. Leopards sometimes venture too close to human-populated areas in search of food and kill people who come in their way. Number 2. Cobra. Native to the Indian subcontinent, these snakes are among the 4 snakes who cause most snake bites in India. While they usually avoid humans, if they feel threatened, they can attack rapidly and cause death in most cases. Number 1. Tiger. Tigers are known to be man-eaters and can eat up to 60 pounds of meat in a single night. They are extremely lethal and swift. Five deadliest animals in USA. America is home to a wide variety of species, some of which are unavoidably deadliest to humans. This is a list of the deadliest creatures in America, arranged from least to most lethal. You might be surprised by some. Number 5. Cougar. Cougars have killed 27 humans in the past 100 years, about the same size as a leopard. This solitary cat is found in a variety of American habitats, including swamps, grasslands, and coniferous forests in the mountains. Number 4. Bear. On average, bears kill between 2 and 5 people every year, and so far in 2021, there have been 6 bear attacks in North America that resulted in fatalities. There have been 5 fatal attacks by black bears between 2020 and 2021, and 10 between 2014 and 2019. Number 3. Livestock. The most deadly creatures are not just wild animals. In the United States, cows, whom people consider to be fairly slow and stupid, kill roughly 20 humans annually. Number 2. Hornet. Hornets, bees, and wasps are some of the deadliest animals in America when it comes to humans. They kill about 56 people every year by stinging them. These people are usually very sensitive to the venom of these insects and go into anaphylactic shock when they're stung. Number 1. Deer. Pretty, sweet-natured, and timid, the deer is one of the deadliest animals in America. Every year, 120 to 200 people are killed by deer. This usually happens because the deer jumps out into the road and is hit by a car. The driver loses control and crashes.
Animals and wildlife play a notable role in a country's culture, history, and heritage. A national animal is seen as the pride of a nation, representing its unique identity. We've curated a special list of fascinating national animals from India and its neighboring countries. We'll explore their backgrounds, what they symbolize, and how they reflect the spirit of their homelands. Snow leopard. Snow leopards have evolved to live in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Their thick white-gray coat, spotted with large black rosettes, blends in perfectly with Asia's steep and rocky high mountains. Because of their incredible natural camouflage, rendering them almost invisible in their surroundings, snow leopards are often referred to as the ghost of the mountains. Tiger. The tiger is one of Asia's most iconic and fiercest solitary hunters. It is also the largest big cat species in the world. Tigers are mostly nocturnal and are ambush predators that rely on the camouflage their stripes provide to stalk prey. India is home to more wild tigers than any other country, from the Terai Arc landscape in the north to the Western Ghats in the south. Tigers live far apart from each other. A tiger knows if it is in another tiger's territory based on the trees around him. Takin. With horns like a wildebeest, a nose like a moose, a tail like a bear, and a body like a bison. This large, muscular, hoofed mammal is sometimes referred to as a goat antelope because it has things in common with both goats and antelope. Because of their large, powerful bodies and impressive horns, takins have few natural enemies other than bears, wolves, leopards, and dholes. Panda. Giant panda, bear with striking black and white coloration inhabiting bamboo forests in the mountains of central China. Its coloration, combined with a bulky body and round face, gives it a captivating appearance that has endeared it to people worldwide. They subsist almost entirely on bamboo. They must eat around 26 to 84 pounds of it every day, depending on what part of the bamboo they are eating. Cow. In Nepal, cows are not only considered a symbol of wealth and prosperity, but are also deeply revered as a sacred animal, particularly in Hinduism. The cow has been declared the national animal of Nepal and is constitutionally protected, with cow slaughter being banned. The Akkam cattle, a breed of zebu cattle, are specifically found in the Akkam region of Nepal and are considered a unique part of Nepal's flora and fauna. Markhor. The markhor, a species of large, wild goat, is native to Western and Central Asia's mountains and high-altitude monsoon forests of Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Tajikistan. Also called the screwhorn goat, it was considered to be the most challenging animal to hunt in British India due to the danger that pursuing them at high altitudes brought. Elephant. The Asian elephant is the largest land mammal on the Asian continent. They inhabit dry to wet forest and grassland habitats in 13 countries spanning South and Southeast Asia. While they have preferred forage plants, Asian elephants have adapted to surviving on resources that vary based on the area. More than 2/3 of an elephant's day may be spent feeding on grasses, but it also eats large amounts of tree bark, roots, leaves, and small stems.